Let's first define what confidential computing is so our listeners know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Uh, Depending on who you talk to, the definition changes a lot, but I think there's one thing everybody agrees on. Confidential computing is about protecting data in use from any access. And everything we build is based on our conversations with customers. And based on our conversations there are two distinct security and privacy dimensions that we have identified that pertain to confidential computing. Dimension one is where we're protecting customer code and data from operators on the cloud provider side. In this case, that's AWS. So if you're running on EC2 today, there's just no operator access from AWS to reach into your code or data that's running on the instance. That by default is satisfying one dimension of confidential computing already. So if you're running a Nitro-based instance, from our perspective, we are already providing confidential computing by default. Now, if you are looking to further isolate that code and data, if you're running sensitive data, not all data is created equal. There's innocuous data and sensitive data. If you're running sensitive data and you want to protect it even from yourselves, that's really when a solution like Nitro Enclaves comes into play because it's providing additional isolation on top of what you're getting on a Nitro-based instance. And that satisfies dimension two, where you're concerned about protecting code and data from yourself. That's our perspective, our definition, how we look at confidential computing. And everything that we have built has been based on working backwards from customer requirements here.
You know,